2015 Dodge Charger HEMI, 5.7 liter, got factory converters, like usual, factory X-pipe, then what we did, resonator delete for mid muffler, and rear muffler delete, there, and there. Let you guys hear it in a second, hope you guys like it. And it comes with the custom or regular valence, so bumpers come built in. There it is. Came out really nice, real clean. Hope you guys enjoy the sound. 2015 Dodge Charger HEMI. HEMI. I love HEMIs. They always sound really good. Stock converters there and there. Then they got a factory X-pipe. They all come 2 1/4. Then what we did is put some FLOWMASTER Super 10s, 2.5 inch inlet, 2.5 inch outlet. If you guys want them, there's a link in the description. Then we continue, then remove the rear mufflers or resonators. Everybody wants to call them differently, so I'll say both. Right there and right there. There's the FLOWMASTER Super 10s. I think it's going to sound phenomenal. Dodge RT 2015. There you go. That's how you guys do it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the sound. Much better. Sound decibels, go ahead. On the sound decibels, bro. That's awesome. Yeah. Hey man, make sure you go sideways, okay? HEMI. So he drove out first. Go ahead. Oh, music to my ears. Those HEMIs never disappoint. Go ahead. 105 on the sound decibels, bro. That sounds good. You like it?
Oh yeah.
That just screams beast. They never disappoint, man. They always sound so good. So you're gonna put a tune on it next?
A what?
A tune?
Probably not.
No.
Just think about doing an intake.
Yeah, do the cold air intake on it. You'll open it up, let it breathe even more. Go ahead. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hopefully he'll go beast mode. He said he will, so we'll see. Dodge Charger 2015 HEMI. guys know by now, blue's my favorite color. So I like this car. It's my favorite color. Hopefully he'll go beast mode. Let's see.